Hello guys and welcome. Let us try to see three possible ways to find area of a triangle. First possibility, if the base and the height of a triangle are given to you. That means a triangle obviously has three vertices. From one of the vertex to the opposite side, if a line drawn which is perpendicular to the base, this line we call it altitude, and the opposite side which is perpendicular to it is said to be the base. So someone can draw from the other vertex to the opposite side. If it is perpendicular, again this can be the other possible altitude, and the third possibility will be from the third vertex to the opposite base. So a triangle can have three possible altitudes. These three altitudes are concurrent at a point inside the triangle. This concurrency point is said to be orthocenter. Anyways, if the base and the altitude, one of the altitude and the opposite base of a triangle are given, we can find the area of the triangle by the formula area of a triangle is equal to half times base times height. This is most commonly used and applicable formula. For example, let us say a triangle, the base let's say 10 centimeter and the height, the altitude let it be 5 centimeter given to us. And then if we need to find the area of the triangle will be half times 10 times 5, which will be 25 centimeters square. How 25 comes? By 2, 1, this by 2, 5. And 5 times 5 will be 25 centimeters square. The base and the height are given already. This formula mostly in case of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means it is a triangle, one of the angle is 90. That means two of the sides are perpendicular. These two perpendicular sides, we call them legs, and shorter sides we can represent by the letter A and B. And the larger side, which is found opposite to the 90 degree, is C, that is hypotenuse. So in case of right angle triangle, the area of the triangle will be half times the product of the two legs. Because the two legs are perpendicular to each other, we can ignore the hypotenuse. For example, if we have a right angle triangle, let's say the two legs are 8 and 6 and the hypotenuse is 10. And if we need to find the area, simply half times the product of 6 and 8, which will be 24 unit square. The unit is meter, it will be meter square. If the unit is centimeter, centimeter square, doesn't matter. Anyways, what you have to focus, what we are discussing here, in case of area of triangle, if the base and the altitude given, we can apply the formula half times base times height. This is the first possible case. Let us go to the second possibilities. The second possibilities, in case of triangle, still we are talking about triangle, the two sides might be given, and the middle angle between the two given sides, again it might be given theta. So this time the area of the triangle can be calculated as half times the product of the two sides times sine of the middle angle. Here there is no base, there is no height, only two sides and the middle angle given. So we can apply this formula. For example, a triangle given to you, the two sides let's say 4 and 3 and the middle angle let's say 30 degree. So how to find the area? The area will be half times 3 times 4 times sine 30, which is by 2 this will be 2, 2 times 3 will be 6, times sine 30 is it's 1 over 2. When you multiply 6 times 1 over 2 or 6 divided by 2, which will be 3 units square again. Very simple. Remember, the angle must be between the two given side. If the angle is found here or here, doesn't work. The angle must be found between the two given side. Mostly, what kind of question will be asked to apply this formula? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means it's a triangle in which all the three sides equal and all the angles are equal. Each angle, it is 60 degree. So this time, what kind of question might be asked? Find the area of, it may say, find the area of equilateral triangle one of the side only might be given. One of the side lengths might be 8, let's say. So how to find the area of this equilateral triangle? Remember, just you can draw the triangle or you can not. You can leave it. But if you draw each side, it is 8. One of the side 8 means each side 8. And each angle 60. I will take only one angle. This time the area will be, because I have two sides here and the middle angle, I can apply the second formula. Half times 8 times 8. Okay, let me write it down to make it clear. The area will be half times 8 times 8, then sine 60. So I can simplify. This will be 4. 4 times 8, 32, times sine 60 radical 3 over 2. Mostly used. And by 2, 1, this by 2, 16. So the area will be 16 root 3. Again, unit square. This is the second possibility. Remember the formula. The formula says if two sides of a triangle and the middle angle means between the two given sides. The middle angle, if it is given, we can apply the formula half times the product of the two sides times the sine of the angle. This is the second possibility. Let us see the last possibility. The last possibility, we call it Heron's formula, after the mathematician Heron. It's proved. Heron's formula works if a triangle given to you and all the three sides might be given to you, like A, B, C. There is no angle, there is no base and height, simply all the three sides given to you. This time, the formula to find area of triangle, first let me write the formula. It is the square root of S in bracket, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. You know clearly what is A, B, C means. What's new here is S. What is S? According to Heron's formula, S means the perimeter divided by 2. The perimeter means the perimeter of the triangle is A plus B plus C. Then divide by 2. You can get the S by this formula. And then you can use the formula here to find the area. Our focus is finding the area. So when you are trying to find the area, and when the three sides given, we can apply the Heron's formula. But the Heron formula, it contains S. So how to get the S? It's here. Let us take example again. Okay. For example, if we have a triangle, the three sides, 3, 4, 5, simply randomly I took the number. So the first thing we have to find the S. The S means 3 plus 4 plus 5, then divide by 2. 3 plus 4, it is 7 plus 5, 12. 12 over 2, which is 6. This is S. Therefore, the area of the triangle, the formula, the square root of S in bracket, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. The ABC are the three sides. Therefore, the area will be square root of 6 times 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 5. So which will be the area square root of 6 times 3 into 2, then 1. Which will be 6 times 6, 36. So the area will be 36 in the square root, which will be 6 units square. So anyways, Heron formula it's all about the formula. How the formula comes, it will be somehow longer process, but to find the area of the triangle, we can use Heron's formula, thanks to him. So these are the three possibilities to find area of a triangle. Thank you so much.